How to fix TikTok when it says you're tapping too fast. So if you want to fix your problem which says you're tapping too fast on TikTok, then the first thing you need to do is open up your TikTok application. And once you open your TikTok, go to your profile which is on the bottom right. And now you can go for the upper right which has that three bar icon. Go for settings and privacy and scroll down, and here you can go for report a problem. And now you can scroll down and go for submit a report which is on the bottom of your screen. And here under the feedback you have to write that I'm facing a problem with TikTok and it's saying that you're tapping too fast, so please help me with that problem. You need to write that politely, and then you can also upload some photos or some screenshots or some videos to your feedback. And after adding your photos and after adding that, you can simply tap on submit, which is here on the middle of your screen. And once you tap on submit, your problem will be sent to TikTok. TikTok might take action on that. So that's how you fix your TikTok when it says you're tapping too fast. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.